Here's the combined and enhanced review of Phantom Mint. Phantom Mint Review, a comprehensive analysis. Introduction. Phantom Mint promises a revolutionary approach to creating and profiting from decentralized meme coins. By simplifying the process of crypto creation, it caters to beginners and entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on the volatile but lucrative meme coin market. This review explores its features, benefits, potential risks, and overall viability for users. What is Phantom Mint? Phantom Mint is a platform designed to allow users to mint and monetize meme coins quickly, easily, and anonymously. It claims to eliminate barriers such as technical expertise, high costs, and the need for a pre-existing audience. With a focus on scalability, users can leverage viral trends to create multiple coins, aiming for high reward opportunities. Key features. 1. User-friendly interface. Phantom Mint offers an intuitive platform with step-by-step guidance, enabling even complete beginners to mint meme coins effortlessly. 2. Customizable tokenomics. Users have control over critical parameters, such as coin supply, burn mechanisms, and distribution strategies, tailoring their coins to specific niches or audiences. 3. Anonymity and privacy. The platform prioritizes anonymity, allowing users to operate without disclosing personal or financial information. 4. Marketing and community tools. Phantom Mint provides strategies and tools for promoting coins, building communities, and sustaining engagement. 5. Trend analytics. Integrated insights on market trends help users identify promising niches and optimize their coin launches. 6. Cost efficiency. By automating processes, Phantom Mint reduces the traditional costs associated with developing and deploying cryptocurrencies. 7. Scalability. Users can mint multiple coins to maximize opportunities across various trends, increasing the chances of success. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Beginner-friendly. No technical skills are required, making crypto creation accessible to all. 2. Quick deployment. Users can quickly launch coins to capitalize on emerging trends. 3. Customizable options. Flexibility in design and tokenomics allows users to tailor coins to their goals. 4. Anonymity focus. Privacy protections align with decentralized finance principles. 5. Potential for high returns. Meme coins can yield significant profits in the right market conditions. Cons. 1. Market volatility. The meme coin market is unpredictable and highly speculative. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Anonymity and crypto profits may raise legal and compliance issues. 3. Potential oversaturation. The ease of minting may flood the market with low-value coins, reducing profitability. 4. Risk of scams. Anonymity could attract fraudulent actors or unreliable projects. 5. Lack of transparency. Limited details about the platform's technology or creators may erode trust. 1. What is the target audience for Phantom Mint? The platform is ideal for beginners, entrepreneurs, and speculative investors looking to leverage meme coins. 2. Is Phantom Mint safe? While it prioritizes anonymity, users should research thoroughly and assess risks before engaging. 3. Can I launch multiple coins? Yes, the platform supports creating multiple meme coins to capitalize on different market trends. 4. How much does it cost? Specific costs depend on the tools and features chosen, but Phantom Mint emphasizes affordability compared to traditional methods. 5. What happens if the market crashes? As with any crypto investment, users must be prepared for the possibility of losses due to market volatility. 6. Are there legal implications? Yes. Users should ensure compliance with cryptocurrency regulations in their region. Market position and potential. Phantom Mint leverages the growing popularity of meme coins, offering tools to lower the entry barrier for individuals and businesses. Its success depends on the quality of its offerings, user trust, and the ability to deliver on its promises of simplicity, privacy, and profitability. Conclusion. Phantom Mint presents a unique opportunity for users to enter the meme coin market with ease and minimal upfront investment. However, the high-risk nature of cryptocurrencies, combined with regulatory and transparency concerns, calls for careful consideration. For those willing to explore speculative investments, Phantom Mint could be an intriguing tool, provided they approach it with caution and thorough research.